Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is the second part of this Om Mandala painting. I hope you have watched the part 1. You already know how much love and detail has gone into the beginning of this artwork. In this video, I will take you through the final stages of completion. Link of part 1 of this dot mandala is in description, so you can go and check out that video. As I told earlier in the previous video that the size of MDF is 6 inches and width of MDF is 4 mm. I have started with the outermost design layers now. This is where the mandala really starts to bloom, like a flower opening up. Every line, every dot is placed with intention. I am working carefully to maintain symmetry and flow. These vibrant colors, red, yellow, orange, are not just visually appealing, but they also reflect energy and spiritual warmth. The center Om symbol is sacred sound and a spiritual icon, and this entire design radiates around it. I will attach the links of my Instagram handle, so if you want to order any art product, you can DM me over there. I will apply varnish to seal the artwork. This not only protects the colors but also gives it a beautiful glossy finish that enhances every detail. You can see these brush strokes are so satisfying and eye-soothing. This part takes patience, but it's so worth it. Watching the artwork come alive bit by bit is always my favorite part of the process. I am now adding fine dot patterns and highlights to bring the whole piece together. I hope you are enjoying the process of this dot mandala. Let me know in comments. A symbol of peace, balance and spiritual power. This Om Mandala. So our Om Mandala is now going to complete. Thank you so much for joining me in this creative journey. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe for more artistic content. Stay tuned.